Hello, I'm happy you're here to explore this edition of Web's Essential Guide to Law Firm Website Redesign, where we help you create the next generation website that keeps your clients central to everything you do. My name's Andy Adamson, and in this video I'm going to take you through the different ways visitors flow through your website. You may have noticed which pages your visitors look at. If not, log into your Google Analytics account and you can find lots of data on that under Behaviour, Behaviour Flow, or Site Content. Looking at the results, you'll see how important content is, because it shapes how your potential clients flow through your website. It will ultimately help you to nurture future leads. So broadly speaking, what you're looking at is the intent of your website visitors. The content they look at can reveal what stage they're at in the buying process. Understanding this is really important because it will inform you of the types of content you need and how your users want to browse through your website. Your potential clients will flow through your website based on their intent. As we've previously discussed, the two main intents are to research or to make an inquiry. You need to make sure you have both these intents in mind when you produce content and your messaging is spot on for both. So let's take three typical ways visitors flow through your website. One, the search engine question, and this could be a voice search or a keyword search. Number two, it's direct, and that's when someone who already knows your web address types it in their browser. And pay-per-click online advertising, and this could be through one of the search engines. We can go into a little bit more detail on each of those, but let's just understand why we're doing this. This process will help you see your potential clients' touch points. It will reveal how you can improve the flow from all channels and through your website. It will help you create achievable goals for you and your website visitors. Understanding your touch points brings together an understanding of who your potential clients are in your law firm offering. It lets you see the big picture and reveals opportunities and provides a better overall experience. Each touch point should be well considered and relevant, which makes a positive experience. Everything you do should be designed from a client's perspective that's relevant for delivering what they're looking for. If you're unsure how visitors flow through your website, here are three typical ways potential clients browse. The search engine question. In this scenario, the potential client has had a question based on a problem they're trying to solve or a type of law firm they're looking for. It's unlikely at this stage they'll know your law firm. The sample search questions will be: how long does divorce take? Best law firm near me, best criminal lawyer. So they type in the question, Google comes back with the results, they discover your content, and at that stage you want to nurture them. So we want to try and get them to subscribe to your social channels, sign up for your newsletters. So that's pre-engagement through to engagement and nurturing. The second part is when people come to you directly, and that's when they already know your web address and they've typed it into their browser. In this scenario, the potential client has completed their research, had their questions answered, and is intent to convert and make an inquiry. They are likely to already know your law firm. So what they tend to do then is they land on the home page. They will go and visit a product page or go directly to the person who they think they're going to end up working with. So pay-per-click online advertising. In this scenario, the visitor is intent to convert because your online ad will only be displayed based on their keywords or their intent. So the visitor asks the question, your advert gets displayed, they click on the ad, they go directly to a landing page, they complete a call to action, and that's the start of them becoming a customer. So there's 3 typical examples. So how do I identify what content your visitors need? When designing the best possible visitor flow through your website, you need to understand your visitors. What problems are they trying to solve? What information do they need to convert into a client? What questions do they have? What are their fears or their hesitations? The best way forward is not to guess the answer to these questions. Simply listen to your potential clients and learn about them and their needs. So it's really about providing the right content at the right time. For your potential clients to convert through your website, you must give them the information they need just when they need it. They will take action when they find content they're looking for, so don't try to sell to them too soon. They will take action when they get what they came for. Your potential clients are looking to solve their problem or get answers to their questions. Optimize content with that in mind. And here are a few other things to consider. Provide clear, benefit-orientated statements. Provide a clear value proposition. Explain how what you provide is useful and how it works at each stage. Back up your claims with social proof. Minimize friction on client forms and ask for the minimum amount of information. Create clear calls to action that help solve their problems. So in summary, broadly speaking, you need to provide at least 2 routes that allows your potential clients to solve their problem they have, or at least show your expertise in those areas and provide clear calls to action to your inquiry forms. That way, you'll improve conversions through your law firm website. So that's it for now. Thanks again for listening.